In this video, I will show you how to get this awesome flipclock screensaver on Windows 11. This is Mr. ASquare Tech. Let's get started. Open any standard web browser and search for Fliqlo Screensaver. Click on the link as shown in the video. It should read Fliqlo. This is how the clock will be displayed on different devices. Click anywhere on the screen. Now scroll down a bit until you see the download option. By the way, this is absolutely free. Shout out to the creator who created this. This is the app for Windows and this is the app for Mac. Click on the download for Windows. After downloading, open the downloads folder. Right click on the file downloaded and unzip it, or click on extract all. Open the unzipped folder. You will see .scr file. This is the screensaver file. In Windows 11, if you try to open the screensaver, it will show a preview of it. In order to install it, right click and click on subscribe. Yes, subscribe. I'm kidding. Just click on install. This will install the screensaver and open the settings page. This is the setting for 12-hour or 24-hour clock. You can remove the background of it, that is these two rectangle-like shapes behind the clock. I like it plain and simple, so I am removing it. Here you can change the size of the clock depending on your preference. I like it when it's bigger and fills the screen. You can also control the brightness of the clock so it won't hurt your eyes when the room is cozy. And here is the important part. If you don't set this right, your screensaver won't be showing up. No matter how much time you wait, make sure the wait time is set to 1 or 2 minutes so that the screensaver will appear after 1 or 2 minutes of your computer's idle time, or you will end up waiting for screensaver forever. Let's click on OK to apply the screensaver, and boom, your PC will thank you for this. Now let's click on the preview to see the look of it. Wow, it looks amazing. If the screensaver setting is somehow missed, just select the Windows key and search for screensaver. Here you can access the screensaver and change it as per your wish. And that's it guys. I hope you did it. If you have any questions, ping me on Instagram @Mr. ASquare Tech or leave a comment below. I'm very active with my subscribers. I'll definitely reply. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe yaar. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with the tech you love.